What's up?
Hey, Zach.
What do you think of the place?
It's looking really good. We love the paint color.
Nice. It's looking a little more like home, right?
Definitely, yeah.
We're on a bit of a time crunch. You want to help me get these doors up?
Absolutely.
So these are called European hinges or cup hinges or concealed hinges. You basically just push them in. Takes a little bit of working, and once it's in nice and flush, you just push down on that cover, and that's it, installed.
This is the first time we are here since we bought the place, and we're seeing it now, and the renovations are underway, so it's pretty exciting.
All done?
Yeah.
All right, I just finished up too. I basically just mounted the other side of these hinges onto the cabinets. So see that little bar there?
Yeah.
So that bar is gonna nest into the face of these little brackets. So all you have to do is really just open that hinge up, slide it in until you feel it sort of sitting in there, and then push the back, and it snaps in. Do the same on the top, and you're good to go. All right. What do you think?
Looks really nice. I love the white cabinets.
All right, so the first thing to do when adjusting cabinets is see what the door is doing with regards to the cabinet itself. So the great thing about these European hinges is they actually are three-way adjustable. What we'll do is start making some adjustments to sort of level everything out. A little bit further in, a little bit higher up. All right, so we could keep adjusting these all day, but the bottom line is we've got the plumber still to come, countertops still to go in, so I'd rather just leave that till the end when we can do it all at once. But what I do need is for Crystal to come up here because she picked some awesome hardware, and I want to talk about where to locate it because you guys may not be here before we're ready to put it in. You want to swap out?
Yeah, I'll go get her.
All right, cool. I'll finish with this.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you'd like what you see, click on the subscribe button. Make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.